Hi everyone. So this is the columns example. I used 6.7 as an example because it has almost everything that you need. Uh, the pictures, inserting the pictures, sending it behind the text to wash out the picture, columns without a line, columns with a line. That's all you need to know regarding the columns. So I have typed the document as it is. So you insert your header and footer according to the given instruction, and then you insert the correct font and the correct font size, and then from there then you then follow the manuscript signs, which then says the first paragraph over there. They say you need to insert 2 columns. You also need to insert the picture, then send it behind the text, and then wash out the picture. Okay, let's start with the picture. In my computer, I don't have the pictures that are installed in your computers there by the labs. All right, so I'm just gonna use any picture. So let's click inside the paragraph, and then you go to insert pictures. If you were going to use the labs, you were going to follow that long route of local disk, program files, Microsoft Office, then clip art. I don't have clip art, so that is why I'm just gonna use any picture. I'm just gonna select any picture of my own. I'm just gonna minimize it so that it becomes small or in a size that I want. And then from there they say we need to insert center. So we need to make sure we center our picture. So to center our picture, we go to position and then we check. The first one, say top left, top center. This one is middle center. So I think it's the one that is more preferable. So you then just take your picture, you move it on top of your paragraph so that it is going to be center, middle center. Because the moment you work on the picture moves around the document. And then from there, we go to wrap text. We go to wrap text, and then we want to send the picture behind the text. There are many options. Here is the other one, send backward. So we can send the picture behind the text. You could see that the text is now on top of the picture, but now they also say you need to wash out the picture so that the text will be more visible than the picture. So to wash out the picture, then we go to color. Make sure the picture is active. We see that outside crops, it is activate the picture tools. And then you just go to color, and then from there you read the recolor. Just move your cursor on top of each and every one. When you get here, you will see there's wash out, and then you click on it. The more you click on wash out, then the text become more visible. So the picture is now behind the text. Now we want to insert 2 columns. Sorry, for this column, for this paragraph, they say 2 columns here. 2 columns, we highlight the paragraph. Remember this, the show and hide, they've shown you that you have entered 2 times. So when you highlight, you don't highlight like this, including the spaces. You only highlight the paragraph until the last. You highlight until the last the last words or the character that you have in your paragraph. And then from there you go to layout, down arrow, columns, and then you can just go to more columns, and then you select 2 there, and then you say okay. Then you're going to have 2 columns with the picture behind the text. And then let's move on. The other one, which is now the last paragraph in there, it is saying 3 columns with the line in between. So we just highlight, and then we go to columns, down arrow, we go to more columns, and then this time we are going to select 3 columns. Then now they say the line in between, so this one is going to be now active. You can even increase the number of your columns here, or can choose here. If they want the column at the left, 2 columns, but make them left or right, this is what then you do. Then we want the columns with the line in between. It is also displaying for you how is it going to be like at the end, and then you just select OK. Then you are going to have your columns with the line in between. Okay, I hope you will understand the record. That's all you need to know regarding the regarding the columns. And then the other thing that you need to know there at the back, I hope you have this. They are also going to be to write about the proofreading. Proofreading means that it is there, the back of your workbook. I can even see it here. Okay, from yeah, going down to the last one. After your last exercise, then you will see this the proofreading here. You just compare the manuscripts, Word and Excel. I have it also here. Like for example, let me check exercise 1. I'm not sure if they're the same, the one I'm using with the one that you have. Okay, the other ones are instructions. The other ones are the exercises. The one that is, let's check one by one. Okay, where does this thing start? I just want to make an example that you're going to see. Where you see a student number in your initials and surname, it means that you need that this is the results where you need to check. This is the correct preparations to you. Let me check 7.1. Okay, this one that you have over there, that has your initial surname, it is the wrong one. So what do you then need to do? It is to check this one. This is 7.1. This is the correct one. Correct one means you are checking the errors that you see here. The errors that you see, here, this from this correct document. Like for example, let's check just one thing there. This is a show set to store. The first one is correct, and then you see this preparations are underway for Europe's biggest air show, that Southern. Last year, more than 500,000 visitors attended the event. This is the correct statement. All right, now Now the corrections. The preparations are underway for Europe's. You see there's no comma there up before S. And then also last year there is no comma. So all you need to do is just to put the commas or the words just next to it. Where there is wrong, you correct it using this one. But now you read both, you compare both the documents, then we call that proofreading. This one is wrong and then this one is correct. This one that has your student number, it is wrong. You check the same as that one on your exercises, like this one 7.1, you compare it with 7.7, and then you are going to do that as well on your assessment for term 4, just to proofread and check which one is correct. You are spotting the differences. Okay guys, thank you.